Production begins with carefully selected Grey Brahman bull horns. Each horn is inspected for size, density, and natural beauty. Every horn undergoes strict quality inspection. Only premium horns continue to the manufacturing process. High-pressure washing removes dust and organic residue. This prepares the horns for precision processing. Industrial dryers eliminate remaining moisture. Proper drying prevents deformation during cutting. Each horn is trimmed to remove unusable sections. The valuable horn wall is preserved for luxury products. The horn is carefully opened along its length. This creates material suitable for luxury handbag panels. Steam heat transforms rigid horn into workable material. The softened structure can now be flattened. Powerful presses convey curved horn into flat sheets. This creates the foundation for handbag panels. The horn sheets cool into their new flat shape. Natural patterns become clearly visible.
Precision rollers standardize material thickness. Uniform panels ensure consistent luxury quality.
Sanding creates an even working surface. Every sheet is prepared for luxury finishing. Fine polishing reveals the horn's unique beauty. Each sheet displays one-of-a-kind natural markings. Digital templates maximize material efficiency. Each luxury handbag panel is cut with precision. Precision trimming perfects every panel edge. Accurate dimensions are critical for assembly. Precision drilling prepares the panels for joining. Every hole must align perfectly during assembly.
Quality inspectors verify every cut and hole. Only flawless components continue forward. Pattern matching creates visual harmony. Natural horn markings are carefully coordinated.
Support materials strengthen the horn structure. This improves durability for everyday use.
Vacuum pressure creates a permanent bond. The reinforced panel gains structural stability. Heat and pressure create the handbag's signature shape. The luxury form begins to emerge. Hand finishing removes every sharp edge. The luxury feel begins with perfect details. Multiple polishing stages create a glossy finish. The natural horn patterns become even more striking. Premium hardware components are organized. Each handbag receives matching luxury fittings. Precision installation ensures smooth operation. Every hinge is aligned to exact specifications.
The luxury clasp becomes a functional centerpiece. It combines beauty with security.
Individual horn panels unit into a complete structure. The handbag body takes shape. Premium lining enhances both elegance and comfort. The interior receives the same attention as the exterior.
Precision stitching strengthens the handbag interior. The luxury accessory is nearing completion. Hidden support frames improve strength and durability. They help the handbag maintain its elegant shape. Premium leather is prepared for luxury handles. Precise measurements ensure perfect symmetry.
Each handle combines comfort and durability. Multiple layers create a premium feel.
Precision hardware secures every handle. The handbag becomes fully functional. Inspectors search for even the smallest imperfection. Luxury standards demand flawless surfaces. Inspectors search for even the smallest imperfection. Luxury standards demand flawless surfaces.
Expert hand finishing perfects every detail. The natural horn shine is enhanced.
A final polish creates exceptional brilliance. The horn's natural beauty reaches its peak. A protective coating preserves the luxurious finish. It helps resist scratches and wear. Controlled drying hardens the protective layer. The finish becomes durable and long-lasting.
Luxury branding is carefully applied. Every logo must sit perfectly centered.
Every decorative element undergoes review. Attention to detail defines luxury craftsmanship. The finished handbag receives meticulous cleaning. Every surface must appear showroom perfect. Each completed handbag is professionally documented. These images support luxury retail presentation.
Hardware components are tested repeatedly. Reliable performance is essential for luxury products.
Experts verify every functional component. Only perfect handbags move forward.
Each handbag receives traceable certification. Authenticity is guaranteed through serial tracking.
Luxury dust bags protect the polished surfaces. They preserve the handbag during storage. Elegant packaging reflects the product's premium status. Protection and presentation work together.
The finished handbag meets every quality requirement. It is now ready for global luxury markets. Each handbag is digitally registered before shipment. Tracking ensures complete product traceability.
Warehouse teams prepare customer orders. Every shipment is verified for accuracy.
Extra protection is added for international transport. Luxury products require secure packaging.
Automated sealing strengthens every package. The contents remain protected during transit.
The completed handbags showcase remarkable craftsmanship. Every surface reflects hours of skilled work.
Documentation ensures smooth international shipping. Every requirement is checked before dispatch.
Automated palletizing increases efficiency. Shipments are prepared for loading.
Protective wrapping stabilizes every shipment. It prevents movement during transportation.
The finished handbags are ready to leave the factory. Distribution begins from the loading dock. Luxury handbags begin their global journey. Careful loading prevents transit damage. Every shipment is stabilized before departure. Safety remains a top priority.
The completed handbags leave the manufacturing facility. The distribution process is now underway.
Every handbag displays unique natural horn patterns. No two pieces are exactly alike.
Fine detailing reflects exceptional craftsmanship. Luxury quality is visible in every component.
Premium interiors complement the striking exterior. Functionality meets luxury design.
The handbag is designed for everyday elegance. It combines beauty with practical functionality.
Premium hardware complements natural horn panels. Every detail contributes to luxury appeal.
From raw horn to luxury accessory, every stage requires precision and skill. These handcrafted handbags reach customers worldwide. Global demand celebrates traditional craftsmanship.
A complete collection demonstrates manufacturing excellence. Every handbag possesses unique natural character.
These handcrafted handbags reach customers worldwide. Global demand celebrates traditional craftsmanship.
The natural beauty of Grey Brahman bullhorn shines. Each handbag is truly one of a kind. The completed handbags showcase remarkable craftsmanship. Every surface reflects hours of skilled work.
No two horn patterns are exactly the same. Nature creates a unique design for every handbag.
The interior is crafted with equal attention. Luxury and functionality work together. The handbag is designed for both beauty and everyday elegance. It combines luxury materials with practical design. The handbag is designed for both beauty and everyday elegance. It combines luxury materials with practical design.
Each luxury horn handbag comes with a verified certificate of authenticity. A unique serial number ensures complete product traceability and exclusivity.
Skilled craftsmen remain at the heart of production. Their expertise defines the final result. The collection showcases remarkable variety. Each piece retains its unique natural identity.
These handcrafted luxury handbags are prepared for customers around the world. Exceptional craftsmanship and premium quality drive international appreciation. The finished handbags are showcased in premium boutiques. Their distinctive appearance attracts luxury buyers. The natural horn finish gives each handbag its distinctive character and elegance. Every handcrafted detail reflects exceptional artistry and precision.
Precision finishing is visible in every detail. Quality remains the defining feature.
From raw Grey Brahman bullhorn to luxury accessory, the transformation is complete. This is how luxury Grey Brahman bullhorn handbags are made. A journey of craftsmanship, precision, and luxury.